This is one of those thought experiments that I like to do because it tells us that there's a lot we are not thinking about. Here's a question: how many ways can you divide Nigeria? I haven't been alive for too long. Trust me. Don't worry about the white hair. But I have studied this country long enough. And one thing that you can be sure about is that Nigeria is not for want of a new dividing line. There is never a shortage of motivation to manufacture some reason why we can divide Nigerians even further. So, for example, there have been riots in Kaduna and Kano, and even Abuja, that were blamed on our religious differences. Okay? But then there have been clashes in Ife and Modakeke just over the creation of autonomous units. Then we have had different wars in the middle belt between the Tiv and the Jukun about the partitioning between Benue and Taraba. We've had unrest in the Niger Delta over remuneration and reallocation of resources. And there have been deadly conflicts in Lagos over the authority of paramilitary groups. So I ask again, how many times can you divide Nigeria? The Tiv and the Idoma, for example, share Benue State, and that is on the edge of a tribal knife. The people of northern and southern Kaduna say that they have too many differences to be one people. The people of Plateau have debates on the difference between indigeneity and nationality. And there is more than one nation in the Nigerian Delta. The people of Cross Rivers and Akwa Ibom are the furthest east in Nigeria, but they are not part of eastern Nigeria. Niger State is home to two of Nigeria's oldest historical houses, and so on and so forth. When we were younger, we would make crude jokes. We would say things like, you here, you here, you define the LCM. Religion, tribe, ethnicity, language, ancestry, colonial legacy, culture, development, education, access to the sea. The question remains, how many times can you divide Nigeria? It's a question worth asking.